This is the unboxing of the Simgot EM1. I believe this is the name. Okay, let's unbox it. This isn't the first Simgot that I try. I've tried the MT3 before and I liked it. I believe it's a good set, but it's very vocal centered, vocal oriented. So if you use the tips that they provide for better mids and better highs, they have a pretty good sound with clear vocals and very good mids. The other tips, the small bore ones, I didn't like the sound with them because it's bassier, but it's a little bit congested. So this is the box of the EM1. You can read here the name, but it's not so easy to read. Okay. Here we find some waves, I believe. And this is the EM series logo. So the box opens like this, and we find the buds, which are red and blue, because red is right, like air, is simpler to remind, and blue or black is something that's usually used for left ear. Okay, so this is a box for the accessories. I like the boxes in general of Simgot, because they write everything in English and in Chinese, and they are classy. The other box of the MT3 was white, but it was good, like this one. Okay, this is identical, and this is the pouch, the pochette, with the tips inside. As always, we have the ear tip, first type and the second type. Oops. The first type is wide bores, and the second they have small bores, and you can see they are different, and here the sound is described, and it's true. What they say, it's true with the MT3s. I don't know with them. I will test them and I will report it to you. Okay, this is a warranty card. Okay, the cable, but let's see the buds themselves. I think they are really beautiful. These inserts here, the nozzle, the 2-pin connector, it's 0.78 millimeters, not 0.75, so you can't use your KZ or some other cables with a 0.75 standard. So the plastic is good. I think the overall materials and the design, the shape is very good. They are beautiful to see. The cable seems the same as the MT3, which is not of the EM series like this one, but of the mature series. But the accessories are perfectly interchangeable. This is a cable without the microphone, and all these inserts are plastic made. This one, the chin slider, which isn't so useful in this case because of the thinness of the cable, but it's made of metal. And this is not your standard 2-pin connector because it has some shell. Okay, but it's overall a really good cable, and they provide this little thing here. Okay, this is a little instruction manual to wear the earphones. It's an IM, so you can wear it like an IM. It's very simple, and see that they say where to put the letter, because the first time with the MT3s I put the cable the wrong way, because it's not like KZ or something in which the L and right indicator is external. In this case it's internal, so it's a bit different. This is an instruction manual, I don't know, in Chinese and I believe in English. Okay, and they say if you know the volume of your listening, the quantity of hours you can listen to them. Okay, it's well done. I like the box, I like the buds, I like the cable. It's not the thin audio DA3 cable, and if you're waiting for that review, I will shoot the review and a comparison with other similar earphones too, but okay, this is a good cable and I like it. It's very protected with these plastic inserts. And okay, see you.